ground floor. This one is the ground floor. Oh, you see? This one is the ground floor. Oh. It's inside already, this one. And the ground floor. Okay? It's very big also. Ewan ko kung anong floor that one, maybe 1 o ewan ko kung ano. Nice, yeah? Nice. Ayan, malaki at saka bagong-bago. Maganda. It's a new one mall. If you want to come here. Visit in the new mall here in Baghdad. To old Baghdad city. Or in the old Baghdad, come here. Shoes, nice shoes. Different is the cake. Oh, new balloon. Ayan silin, no? Sleeper silin. Very nice. Ayan. Oh, ayun o, nandoon kami, nandoon. Aroy ko. Hindi pa lang siya masyadong kompleto. Oh, pero maano na siya. Maganda na rin siya. Andun na yung gym. Oh, diba? Malawak. Ano pala to? Malawak siya. Oh. Tingnan mo, grabe ang bilis. Paano nila napasok yun doon sa loob? May pasok nila. O, may pasok nila. O, dito naman ang sa adult side. O, ayan. Ewan ko kung anong floor yan. Waki-waki. 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 Waki. Magic stick. It's a new one. Ito ang baba. Hindi talaga mawawala lagi yung beauty. Ano. Okay, so now we go there. Oh, turn around. Ano naman siguro dito. Yung CR ito. Ito naman ang labas pala. Nag-ikot-ikot lang kami. Oh, dito. Ikot-ikot. Ayan yung Kiko Milano. Okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. And bye.